Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your own server tag on Discord. Let's get started. What you need to know first is server tags are actually a perk unlocked by boosting your server. To get started, open the Discord and select the server you want to use. At the top, click your server name, then go to server boost. And here you'll see the different boost level. To unlock features like server tag and enhanced role styles, your server needs to reach a certain boost level. This usually requires multiple boosts, which can come from Discord Nitro subscription or members boosting your server. Once your server reaches the required level, you'll unlock the option to customize your server tag. From here, go into your server settings, find the tag or customization option, and set the tag you want. Once unlocked, your server tag will appear as part of your server's identity. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.